The Smith Wesson M&P-Fifteen Sport is a fantastic platform for firing .22 LR. The M&P-Fifteen mirrors the features and controls of a standard AR-15, making it an excellent training tool. Practice magazine changes, malfunction clearances, and trigger control on a platform that translates directly to your main AR-15. It features an M-LOK handguard for attaching AR-15 accessories, a 6-position stock for a perfect fit, a top rail for mounting optics, and a threaded barrel for attaching a suppressor or flash hider. Constructed from lightweight polymer receivers, this .22 LR rifle is easy to carry around.